Hi, my name is Nonku, and today we're making whiskey bacon jam burgers. To kick off, we're going to marinate our burger buns. So you take your pound of mince, you add sweet chili sauce, garlic, mustard, and a dash or two of whiskey. Then we add the spices, which are rosemary, paprika, barbecue rub, and steak rub. Then we crack 2 eggs into this mixture, and then we mix it all in. Like, just use your hands and get them in there. You want every piece of that mince to have the flavors. Dance break. Then we add salt, pepper, and then you take a handful of the mince and form it into little balls and let it sit on the side to marinate for an hour. Now we start preparing the bacon jam. You're going to chop some onions, normal onions, some red onions, and then we go to the fire. You're going to put your pot on the flame, add olive oil, add the onions that you just chopped into the pot. While this cooks, you're then also going to flatten your burger patties and put them on the rack on top of the flame. Back to the bacon jam, you add paprika, garlic, salt, pepper, bacon, as much as you want. Like, you want more, do more. And then mix it all together. Then we add apple cider vinegar, lots and lots of honey. You want it to be sweet and you want it to crystallize in the pot. Sugar. And 3 dashes of whiskey. Cook it for a bit of time, about 20 minutes. Keep mixing it until it has a strong flavor and you can take it out. Dance break. Then you can take out your patties from the fire once they're ready and we build the burger. Go eggs, go eggs, go eggs, eggs, eggs. To build the burger, we're gonna do a bit of a peri sauce. I take mayo, sweet chili sauce, peri sauce, as well as mustard. Mix it all together. We put that to the side, and then we take our burger bun, cut in half and open it. Take the peri mayo sauce, put it at the base. Be generous. We get some cheese, we put it onto the bun. We take our beef patty that we just made, put it on top of the cheese. Take some lettuce, put it on top of the burger, and then put more of the mayo sauce onto the burger. And then you top it off with your whiskey bacon jam. So delicious. And that's your burger. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.